Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The narration of Dhruva Maharaj is sublime knowledge for the attainment of immortality. Persons unaware of the absolute truth can be led to the path of truth. Those who out of transcendental kindness take on the responsibility of becoming master protectors of the poor living entities automatically gain the interest and blessings of the demigods. Jnanam Ajnata means knowledge which is unknown almost throughout the entire world. No one knows actually what is the absolute truth. Materialists are very proud of their advancement in education, in philosophical speculation, and in scientific knowledge, but no one actually knows what the absolute truth is. The great sage Maitreya, therefore, recommends that to enlighten people about the absolute truth, tattva, devotees should preach the teachings of Srimad Bhagwatam throughout the entire world. Srila Vyasadeva especially compiled this great literature of scientific knowledge because people are completely unaware of the absolute truth. In the beginning of Srimad Bhagwatam, first canto, it is said that Vyasadeva, the learned sage, compiled this great Bhagavat Puran just to stop the ignorance of the mass of people. Because people do not know the absolute truth, this Srimad Bhagwatam was specifically compiled by Vyasadeva under the instruction of Narad. Generally, even though people are interested in understanding the truth, they take to speculation and reach at most the conception of impersonal Brahm. But very few men actually know the personality of Godhead. Recitation of Srimad Bhagavatam is specifically meant to enlighten people about the absolute truth, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Although there is no fundamental difference between impersonal Brahm, localized Paramatma, and the Supreme Person, factual immortality cannot be obtained unless and until one attains the stage of associating with the Supreme Person. Devotional service, which leads to the association of the Supreme Lord, is actual immortality. Pure devotees, out of compassion for the fallen souls, are Kripalu, very kind to people in general. They distribute this Bhagavat knowledge all over the world. A kind-hearted devotee is called Dinanatha, protector of the poor, ignorant mass of people. Lord Krishna is also known as Dinanatha or Dinabandhu, the master or actual friend of the poor living entities, and his pure devotee also takes the same position of Dinanatha. The Dinanathas, or devotees of Lord Krishna, who preach the path of devotional service, become the favorites of the demigods. Generally, people are interested in worshipping the demigods, especially Lord Shiva, in order to obtain material benefits, but a pure devotee, who engages in preaching the principles of devotional service, as prescribed in the Srimad Bhagwatam, does not need to separately worship the demigods. The demigods are automatically pleased with him and offer all the blessings within their capacity. As by watering the root of a tree, the leaves and branches are automatically watered, so, by executing pure devotional service to the Lord, the branches, twigs, and leaves of the Lord, known as demigods, are automatically pleased with the devotee, and they offer all benedictions.